Hey everyone, today we're going to deep dive on why Ableton crackling. And now I'm going to show you the quick fixes to get your audio crystal clear. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Adjust your buffer size. The number one cause of crackling is your buffer size. First, go to Options, Preferences, and click the Audio tab. If you're recording, keep it low. But if you're mixing and hearing crackles, increase it to 512 or 1024 samples. This gives your CPU more time to process the audio, which stops the popping instantly. Step 2. If you're on Windows, make sure your driver type is set to ASIO. Using MME or DirectX is a guaranteed way to get lag and crackling. If you don't have an audio interface, download ASIO for all or use FL Studio ASIO. It's much more stable for music production. Step 3. If your CPU meter in the top right corner is hitting 80 or 90%, you're asking too much of your processor. You can right-click any heavy MIDI or plugin tracks and select Freeze Track. This turns the track into a temporary audio file, taking the load off your CPU and stopping the crackling without deleting your plugins. Step 4. Match your sample rate. Make sure your sample rate in Ableton matches your Windows or Mac system settings. Stick to 44,100 or 48,000 Hz. If Ableton is trying to run at 96,000 but your interface is set to 44.1, you're going to hear crackling and pops. Finally, your computer might be trying to save power. Now, go to your Windows power settings and ensure you're on high performance. This stops the CPU from slowing down, which is a common hidden cause of audio dropouts. And that's to clear up your audio so you can get back to making music. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.